Hey y'all, this is a video where I do updates every 6 months to show you what's going on with the reciprocity project. The E is written with a 3. Remember, I started this as a sharing economy editing platform, and then it's blossomed into a lot more of this. I think there's a lot of community that we need online in terms of encouraging people to do things not only in academia, but I teach a lot about life as well, if you haven't figured that out. So in terms of traffic, what's going on the Reciprocity Project, I wanted to show you this. It helps me get motivation, but also shows you in terms of building something like this, how long it would take, and to give you a reasonable expectation for this. Remember, I'm a professor of innovation and entrepreneurship, so I wanted to give you a reasonable expectation. So I've been doing this since 2016, so that is it's about 4.5 years now. So in the last 6 months, so right now I'm actually at 7,860 subscribers. Thank you to each and every one of you. I remember the first one that I got, the very first one that I got was actually from the developers, the contractor that I had to build the initial version of the reciprocity software. Now we've got almost 8,000 subscribers. I was hoping to get to 10,000 subscribers, but by July 1st, but it's not going to happen. So it is July 1st. Happy Canada Day. And we actually have 887,000 views on the YouTube channel. Thank you. That equates to 48,000 hours of people watching the YouTube channel. I can't imagine how. I just want to say thank you for all of you that are making this happen. It is an honor and a blessing to be part of your life, to give you inspiration and to show you, what it's like to do something like this, but also to teach people that kindness, integrity, all of those things really matter, and working hard really, really matter. And I really want that to be clear to you in terms of what that looks like. So you could see the growth over time. This is where I actually paid for video views for a bit. Totally not worth it. It's kind of an experiment to see what happened. You can see it's just gradual, steady growth month over month. And so in the last 6 months, it grew by 11%. So thank you so much. It's absolutely appreciate you. So what is going on with the blog, and also what is going on with the platform as well? I want to show you that as well. So on the blog, we actually had in the last 6 months, we've had 22% growth, which is incredible. Thank you so much. So now we have 35,000, almost 36,000 users that have gone onto the blog. And totally incredible for you to do that. Thank you so much, Stephanie, and everybody else that has written on the blog and helped out in various different ways. Navdeep, amazing. Thank you so much for helping out with this. And we've had various different things that have happened along the way, but you can see steady growth over time. That's what you're expecting, that you have this steady growth. It's the summertime right now. It's July, and the channel is really academically or research oriented. So typically there's a lull in the summer that I've figured out that is going on. So what is going on the actual website? So reciprocity.com, the E is written with a 3. Remember, it's a sharing economy editing platform or software that I'm trying to build out. We've done a ton of stuff on there in the last 6 months, and we're continuing to build more things out. I want to make sure that it feels less scary as we're going on. It feels more community based and stuff. So I'm going to build more things like that into it. But we were able to build in a tone checker that is really cool. We're also able to build in a plagiarism checker that checks the internet for various different works and stuff like that. Very cool. It works great. And so you could check that out, buy some credits, trying to make this very, very inexpensive for everybody to use it. And I think it's the most inexpensive tool that's out there. And it's also sharing economy, sort of community-based platform. Go check that out. I've got 30 seconds to do this. So in terms of the platform itself, 20% growth in the last 6 months. Thank you so much. Went up to 3,384 users in the last in the last little bit. And I wanted to show you right now, hopefully it's going to change. This is the number of people that are actually going on, active users. We have up to, I think it's, what is this? 57% growth in the last